Welcome to my channel. My name is Mary. Sema hi, Mama.
Hi.
And there is my beautiful daughter, Pendo.
No.
So, guys, today is on 1st June. And there's something about this in the history of Kenya. So this very day, very month, is when Kenya gained its independence. So it is a holiday here in Kenya. And that is why you see I've not gone to work. We are celebrating all over Kenya because of the independence that we gained from the Britons. What a wonderful day it is. So there's celebration all around and people are going to just, meet in various places, have fun, commemorate the days when they were colonized, and just forge a way forward so that Kenya can become a better nation. So there'll be a lot of proceedings all over Kenya. These ones will be through the television and all that. So guys, I'll share with you. Have a beautiful day.
Mama.
So there's my boy Rafael. Today is Independence Day in Kenya. We call it in Kiswahili Madaraka Day. And we are here at home, so we are trying to clean our sitting room. I know some people call it the living room. And there we have little Miss Pendo. Pendo, say hi.
Hi.
So she thinks I'm doing it from using the back camera. So there we have Raphael trying to clean around. So Raph,
Yes.
what do you plan to do today since it is Independence Day? Do you know today is Independence Day?
Yes.
When Kenya gained independence?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what will you be doing for the day?
Pendo.
Do you have any plans?
Pendo.
You just stay in the house with mom.
No.
Mm.
I will go to play.
You are going to play.
Yes.
Which game?
Chats.
What?
Chats.
Oh, chats.
Yes.
How is that played?
If someone touch you,
When they touch you where?
when they do like this to you, so it's you to catch. If they catch you, it's you to catch.
So when they tap you, so you are running around,
Yeah.
and then when someone comes and taps you, you'll be the next person to go run and then catch another person.
Yeah.
So quite interesting. Quite an interesting game there, guys. It means that if you cannot run, you'll keep on chasing other people. So that is Raphael trying to do his thing. So today is Madaraka Day, or if you want, Independence Day. So this is the day that Kenya, the day and the month that Kenya gained independence. Watch out, Raph, so that you don't step on Pendo. Pendo, what are you doing there? Unafanya nini, mama? Unafanya? So there we have my little girl, Pendo. She's excited. So look at her, she's very excited. She doesn't know that the brother wants to clean. So do you think, is it good to, sorry mama, is it good to train your children earlier on house chores? And especially the boys, what do you think? Because I know most of the time people have reservations with boys. So you can imagine if you can't train your child earlier, how would you expect him or her to carry on when they are grown-ups? So that is Raphael. Raphael, so you are doing good work. Thank you for helping mom. Okay. So hi, what's up? So today is Independence Day, and I'm kind of ready. Just ready to get into the celebration mode. So remember, today is the day that Kenya gained independence, and therefore we call it in Kiswahili Madaraka Day. Madaraka, I can loosely translate in English to mean independence. So this is the day that the Kenyans got independence from the Britons, and because it is, it's a special day in Kenya, it becomes a holiday. Therefore, we don't go to work. We just stay back at home and do the celebration. So I'm trying to get the right, where light is, so that we can just do some home video. So what's up? I'm in my kitchen and I want to start by doing some cleaning. And guys, One thing about today is that we don't have water. So there's no water. So let me put this down. So there's no water. But thanks be to God because I have some storage containers. So I've stored water here. I want to start by doing the utensils, and then later on I want to prepare some delicacy for my daughter and son. So today I'll be making chips and deep fried chicken just for my kids to enjoy. Anyway, it is a celebration. And we cannot just celebrate like in an ordinary way. We need just to have something good to eat. Like I rarely make chips in the house because maybe I'm kind of busy, and the process is kind of tedious and so involving. But because today I have all the time, then guys, I'm going to do it. So there's something that I'm holding here in my hand. So let me show you. So have a look at this. So this is a selfie stick that a friend of mine bought for me. I'm so excited. Thank you, bestie. You know yourself. I don't want to say your name, and you know the reason why. So I have this selfie stick that arrived yesterday, and I'm so excited because I'll now be able to do movies. Movies really, videos. So I'll be able to do videos out there without actually straining. I can now like hold my phone and then shoot a very good video for my viewers. So you can see it is long enough for me, and then I don't have to strain. I have there's a button here. When I want the video to start rolling, I just press here, and then if I want to stop, I again press here. So it is very easy. I'm so happy and grateful. So I think this is the first present that I've gotten from a best friend of mine since I started my YouTube channel around 3 months ago. So guys, come along with me as I take you through my Independence Day. How will it be like? So come along with me. Yeah, are you coming along with me? And stay tuned. Watch the video up to the end. Ciao. Let's start by washing the utensils that are there in my sink. So let me move this closer. So you can see I have some cups that I need to clean. So this cup belongs to my daughter Pendo. You can see the way it is small. She loves it so much. And then I have another cup that I want to show you. So this one. So have a look at this one. This cup belongs to my son Raphael. So every day in the morning, Raphael takes tea using this cup, and then my small girl Pendo uses this cup, or sometimes she uses this brown cup. So it is like everyone has their own utensils, and they know like they don't need to cross boundaries. So let me start by washing the utensils. So remember, I've said we don't have water. You see, the tap is dry. There's no water, and the reason is because we have a pipe that has burst. A pipe that did burst just outside where I live, and I hope it's going to be repaired soon because it is kind of tedious just to keep the house clean without enough water. So, but anyways, I'm a mom, and I know that water is very essential. So I have here my storage tank. So this one is 100 liters, and I have other containers down there, and probably if I can show you along my corridor. So I have more containers here, and all those containers have water. There's water. So I don't have any problem when it comes to water because I'm just going to use what is available in the house. And then this one is for drinking. So that is our drinking water just in case our taps run dry. So the water here is specifically stored for drinking, and we usually replenish it on a weekly basis so that we ensure that our storage, and especially for the drinking water, is safe. So guys, I'm going to clean my utensils. Come along with me as I do this, and then we are going to peel the potatoes and then get just ready to make chips for lunch and fried chicken. Hello, how do you like it? So let's keep here. So guys, tell me about your country. Do you have what we call the Independence Day? Were you ever colonized? What I'm so sure about is that all the countries in Africa, they were colonized at some point, and you'll realize that each country has a day that it does celebrate. That is the Independence Day. So I'm trying to clean around, and you know, without water it becomes so hectic, but thanks be to God that I have enough storage that can last us for a week. But I know the water will be coming back maybe by tomorrow. You know, so today being a public holiday, we are not guaranteed that the water, that the pipes that did burst can be repaired. So today is a holiday, and we know very well that it is not easy because the offices are not operational. So I hope that they'll do what? They'll ensure that we have water by tomorrow, or latest by Saturday, because my friend, washing or keeping a house clean without water is very hard, and we want running water, and you know, running water is very important. So let me wash the utensils. My son and daughter are out there. I had sent them to go pick something with some of their friends, so I want to finish these utensils before they get back, especially my daughter. You know, when she sees you doing something, she wants also to do it. Like in the morning, she was fighting with our house help because she wanted also to participate in washing, or you know, just wash clothes, and I can't allow that, especially very early in the morning. It's very cold, and she may catch a flu. So I know when she comes here and finds me doing this, she's going to bring some fracas. Eh? So if you have small kids, you can relate with me, or if you have smaller siblings, you can relate with me. The way they are kind of hard to handle. So I want, by the time they are here, I'm just peeling my potatoes here in the sink, just getting ready to prepare the lunch. Because but anyway, it's good to allow them to do some stuff, but I can't allow her to touch water, especially when it's very cold, because I don't want the issues of sickness. You know, it's so hard. Have you ever stayed in hospital because your kid was admitted? So I have that experience, and I would not want it to repeat. So sometimes I allow her to touch water, not that I'm that strict. I allow her sometimes to touch water, maybe just give her something to wash. But when it is hot outside, you know, when the sun is out and very hot, I do allow her once in a while to just get even her doll and wash the clothes. So I'm using this bar soap, and I'm using this. So this is locally available. So guys, when I keep on telling you that village life is very easy and affordable, I think by now you can agree, because I know maybe most people will not agree. They'll say, oh, I was born in town, how can I survive in a village? My friend, you can survive anywhere, whether it is in a rural setup or in an urban setup or whatever. You can survive anywhere. So don't be too hard on yourself. At the end of the day, what matters is you are able to do your stuff very well. So let's go on with our cleaning. So I'm done with cleaning my utensils. They are there, well cleaned. Yeah. So the next process, we are going to peel the potatoes and then shape them to the desired shape that we want. So please come along with me as always. We have our potatoes that we are going to peel and then make chips out of it. So I have some people that are also helping me. Let me show you where they are. So here I have my people that are helping me to peel the potatoes. So that is Raf as always. Raf, you've cut yourself?
Yeah.
Sarah. And then she's called Sarah. Let me go this side so that I can capture clearly. So that is Sarah. Sarah, hi.
Hi.
So be careful, guys. You can cut yourself. And then we have Miss Pendo here. Little Miss Pendo. She has no idea how to peel the potatoes, but she wants to do it. Mama, unataka kuchonga hapa hivi na Rafa hapa? Hapo. Aya, chonga yako. So there she is. She wants to peel, but she's not. So I've given her what? I've given her a knife for applying butter on bread so that she doesn't cut herself. Pea Sarah kuchonge. Okay, you can see. So they are doing some, and I'll also peel some more potatoes. So we have already slaughtered our chicken. We are going to dress it. So we will remove these feathers. So the reason why you need to slaughter it a bit earlier is to allow the blood to drain from the body so that you can cook it. Otherwise, if you just slaughter it and cook it immediately, you'll realize that there's a lot of blood, and especially at the joints. So this is how we do it.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like,
hey, oh my, I can't wait to deep fry this and show you the outcome. Yeah, so today I want to treat my kids. In fact, my daughter has been saying that it is her birthday, so I'm not sure why she's so excited and it's not her birthday. Her birthday will be there towards the end of the year, so she's very excited. She's saying it's her birthday, but anyway, it is Happy Independence Kenyan Day. So we are here enjoying and making the best out of it. So guys, I don't know how you like your chicken to be made, but for mine, I'm not going to add any spice. I'll just deep fry directly, and the reason is because my children do not like spices. So I'll just deep fry, then they'll just add salt according to how they want it to be. But I don't marinate a lot. Maybe I can do that when I'm alone, but since they're around, I can't do that. So I'll just deep fry the way they are. So guys, I'll show you the end product. Wow, guys, have a look at our final product. So there we have our fries, our French fries. And on this other hand, we have our fried chicken. So you can have a look at it up close. Up close, up close. So that is it. And then here we have our fries. So this one is for Pendo. Oh my gosh. So we are going to enjoy our meal. We are so hungry and our meal is yummy. So happy Independence Day, my Kenyan peeps. And those guys who do not come from Kenya, I wish you all the best, and thank you so much for keeping here. Goodbye. See you in the next video.